Yo, what's up, everybody? So, I'm going to be doing a video on some wheel swaps. I'm finally biting the bullet. It's been hard to find anything. Like, it's dry and no donors, no new stuff. So, I have some extra stuff. I'm just going to wheel swap. I think it'll look real tight. So, first off, I'm going to start with these two. So, the Nissan, those wheels are going on the F-150. This is the donor car, the Nissan. I've got like two more, sorry. The Lightning's getting the silver wheels. The wheels from the Lightning are going on this. These wheels are going on this. These wheels are going on this. These wheels are going on this. So yeah, got 7 wheel swaps to do. So I should be busy if work isn't busy, which I'm pretty sure it's going to be dead again. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, be getting some wheel swaps done. Almost there, mister. Almost there. Hey, what's up, everybody? So I'm here on my 15 at work. Got those wheel swaps. I started on this. I got the wheels off of it. The wheels are going to be from this. So I already got it separated. I just have to do the tabs, and it's basically going to look like this. I mean, just an idea. It's not going to be like that high, but with those wheels, it'll look okay. So yeah, I'm going to grind these tabs out, and once I do, I'll put them on the Cyclone chassis, and you will see what it looks like in a sec. Alrighty, so we got the first one done. Looks great. Matches the truck. Good old wheel swap. This one looks perfect. Next, I'm going to be putting black wheels on this. Yeah, so they're going to be the same style, just black. So let's see. I'm going to already grinded that, so I'm going to take out. I'll show you what it's going to get. One sec. These black wheels are going to go on the Honda, and then these will get black 5 spokes instead of these black 6 spokes. So I'm going to drill this out and then put the wheels on the chassis for this. Stay tuned. Okay, we got this drilled, chassis separated. Now these wheels are going to get drilled on the tab, and it's going to go on the Honda. So bear with me, and I'll have these off and on the Honda. All right, we're done. We got these swapped out. Look way better than the stupid white wheels. So yeah, these two are done. These bad boys. Now we're gonna do the other ones. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so I actually got a little carried away. Got too excited. I took apart the Mercedes already. I got the front wheels out. I just got to take the back. So these are going to go on the Nissan, the S15 Liberty Walk, and then these are going to get black with chrome wheels. So from the F-150. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this, and then I'll show you the what the S15 looks like. Okay, bam, sucker's done. I don't know if you can really tell. Got some 5 spokes. Look way better than the 6 spokes. I'm a big fan. Let's see. You can tell the difference. It's kind of hard to tell, but yeah, I like the 5 spokes better. This turned out really nice. This was a good wheel swap. I'm going to do the Mercedes and F-150, so we'll see how that one turns out. Okay, so the F-150 bottom's done, or out, just the back. I got to do the front. These wheels are going on the gold Mercedes, so I got the one set on. Once I do this back, I'll have the other one, and then I'll show you how that looks. It's going to turn out really nice. Looks good already. Okay, turned out beautiful. Way better than I thought. This thing is so nice. These 5 spokes with the silver lips, oof, beautiful. This thing turned out great. So now I'm going to take the wheels from the donor Nissan and put them on the F-150. That should also look still pretty dope. All right, cool beans. Got this sucker done. Looks really good with the chrome wheels. Really good. I like it a lot. Turned out nice. So yeah, now what I'm going to do, all these need to be glued. This one, the bed needs to be put on. So yeah, um, that's it for now. When I glue these, I'll be done. And then you can see some pictures on Instagram. I'll take them probably tomorrow morning. But yeah, um, thanks for watching with me. This kind of stuff I love doing, just keeps me busy. And the turnouts, I mean, that looks freaking good. I was kind of scared if it was going to turn out all right because it looks pretty badass stock. This turned out badass, so we're good. So yeah, yeah. Again, look on my Instagram, and I'll have all these done. So thanks for watching. See you later.